What's crunchier than a nacho and more sustainable than beef? Think you're a daring foodie? Wait until you see how insects are creeping into gourmet dishes and revolutionizing the way we think about protein. Now, before you squirm at the thought of munching on creepy crawlies, let's get one thing straight. Insects are the future of sustainable protein sources. They're not just crunchy and tasty, they also pack a nutritional punch that might surprise you. But have you ever wondered what specific nutrients make insects a nutritional powerhouse? So fasten your seatbelts as we take a deep dive into the exciting universe of insect delicacies with culinary dishes, varietals of insects, sustainability and culture, take you to markets and swing up by a restaurant serving them up hot. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Welcome, Moody Foodies, to a journey that's bound to make your taste buds dance and your foodie instincts take flight. In this episode of Bugging Out, we're about to explore a culinary frontier that may leave you both astonished and intrigued. The delightful world of edible insects. That's right, we're talking about big cuisine, and it's not just a passing fad. It's a sustainable and delicious trend that's making waves around the globe. Have you wondered what's really in your street tacos? Our first stop on this insect-infused journey is a culinary adventure like no other. Picture this, crispy fried crickets and juicy mealworm tacos. If you thought tacos were reserved for beef or chicken, think again. These delectable insect-filled creations are causing quite a stir in the food scene. But it's not just about the taste, it's about the sustainability factor. Insects require significantly less water, land, and food to rear compared to traditional livestock. Plus, they produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions. So not only do these tacos tickle your taste buds, but they also help in reducing your carbon footprint. But how do these sustainable tacos actually taste, and what nutrition do they provide compared to your traditional favorites? Edible insects are not only a sustainable protein source, but also a rich reservoir of rare nutrients. For instance, insects like caterpillars and termites are high in zinc and iron, essential minerals often lacking in traditional diets. Moreover, insects are an excellent source of vitamins, particularly B vitamins like B12, which is crucial for nerve health and often scarce in vegetarian diets. This nutritional aspect highlights the potential of insects in addressing global nutritional deficiencies, especially in regions where access to diverse food sources is limited. So does that mean people are eating just any live insect they find on the street? As we globetrot in search of the most exotic bug-based dishes, we encounter an array of fascinating options, from crunchy chapulins in Mexico to crispy fried grasshoppers in Thailand. Our journey takes us through the vibrant tapestry of global insect cuisine. But if you're feeling particularly adventurous, how about some live scorpions? Yes, you heard that right. In certain parts of Asia, live scorpions are skewered and grilled for the bravest of food enthusiasts. It's an experience that'll leave a lasting impression, an indelible mark, if you will. So have you ever seen a street lined with insect vendors? One of the marvels of exploring insect cuisine is wandering through the bustling bug food markets. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing, with vibrant colors and exotic insect species on display. It's like a treasure trove of gastronomic delights, each more fascinating than the last. As you stroll through these markets, you'll witness a rich tapestry of culinary traditions, each with its own unique twist on bug-based dishes. It's a reminder of the cultural significance that insects hold in various parts of the world, from Africa to Asia, and even right here in the United States. But what rare and unusual insect delicacy might you find that could challenge even the most adventurous foodies? Get ready for the next insect up for discussion. Beyond their nutritional and environmental benefits, can you believe that insect consumption also plays a significant role in preserving cultural heritage? In many indigenous communities, the practice of entomophagy is deeply intertwined with cultural identity and traditions. For example, in certain African tribes, the harvesting of termites, yes, even termites and other insects is associated with rituals and seasonal celebrations. Similarly, in Latin America, The consumption of chapulins or grasshoppers is not just about taste but also about preserving ancestral culinary practices. This cultural aspect of entomophagy adds another layer of importance to the promotion of insect-based diets, as it supports the preservation of unique culinary traditions and indigenous knowledge. Who would have thought these critters mean so much to human history? And what about modern restaurants? Traveling to the United States, let's make a pit stop in Austin, Texas, at the renowned Chapulin Cantina. This fine dining establishment is not your run-of-the-mill bug joint. Here, insect cuisine is elevated to an art form. Imagine your appetizer of guacamole with cilantro and cotija cheese also comes with a healthy, fresh serving of chapulins. That's, well, grasshopper. Can you picture yourself savoring meticulously prepared dishes like cricket risotto and scorpion ceviche yet? All while sipping on craft cocktails inspired by the flavors of the insect world. Well, Reddit users certainly can. In a post about Chapulin Cantina's guacamole, not only does the original poster say with an exclamation point, "They were good," another user responds, "The flavor can be as good as that of some pricey seafood in my opinion." I'm actually optimistic they'll become a lot more popular once enough Westerners get braver. Finishing it with a smiley emoji. It's a pivotal moment in our bug-eating journey where culinary creativity knows no bounds. What unexpected insect-inspired delicacy could be the star of the show crawling into your local restaurant menus? But is all this just for shock value? Now that we've teased your taste buds with a glimpse of the bug-filled culinary adventure, let's talk about the bigger picture. Entomophagy, or the practice of eating insects, isn't just about novelty or shock value. It's a crucial step towards a more sustainable future for our planet. But how does embracing insect cuisine truly impact the environment? Traditional livestock farming has a massive environmental footprint, contributing to deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast, insects require minimal resources to rear, making them a poignant solution to our growing food sustainability challenges. But let's be honest, will you ever be able to watch a live scorpion, stinging tail intact, be eaten without screaming? Perhaps the most intriguing and fun aspect of our journey is witnessing people's reactions as they confront their preconceived notions about bug-based dishes. What makes these culinary adventures so unexpectedly captivating? Maybe because our expectations match what some people say, while they enjoy it, still bear through some rather squeamish aspects, like these Reddit users. They like the smoky, crunchy, and sometimes spicy, but it's the texture of the legs when you swallow that throws them off. Followed with the reply, "I get the leg stuck in my teeth, so I have to floss, but I love the taste and texture." It's a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected culinary experiences can leave the most profound impressions. As our enthusiastic hosts take you through the taste, textures, and traditions of bug cuisine, you'll find yourself questioning your own assumptions. Bug-based dishes are more than just food. They're a reminder that our culinary horizons are ever expanding, and there's always room for delicious surprises. But how do the head chefs unlock those tasty flavors? Coming right up! Whether you're a food enthusiast looking to tantalize your taste buds or an eco-advocate seeking sustainable food choices, the world of edible insects is waiting to be explored. It's time to embrace a new perspective on food and join the bug food revolution. In this visually stunning episode of Bugging Out, we've barely scratched the surface of the diverse and unexpected benefits of entomophagy worldwide. From street food vendors in Bangkok to upscale bug eateries in Texas, the bug food scene is thriving. As a special bonus for sticking with us until the end of this bug-filled culinary adventure, here's a unique tip. Did you know that the way insects are prepared can vastly change their flavor profile? Just like with traditional meats, different cooking methods like roasting, frying, or even fermenting can unlock a variety of tastes and textures in insect dishes. Back on Reddit, look at what these users say salt, pepper, fried lemongrass, and dried chilies made for their favorite snack while in Asia. And another user replied, "They're better than you'd think. Cheese-dusted crickets, while the texture was a bit odd, are very savory and buttery." So, those keen on experimenting at home, Start with something simple like dusting cheese on roasted crickets, which can have a nutty flavor. Remember, the key to enjoying insect cuisine is an open mind and a bit of culinary creativity. If the act of eating rather adventurous food intrigues you, or you're traveling to Italy and want to avoid maggots hidden in your plate, check out our video on a cheese aged and served with some crawling critters. Let us know we are doing a good job, and if you want more content by like, share, and hitting that bell so you will get more captivating content that delves into unique culinary traditions from across the globe. Together, let's take small but significant steps towards creating a sustainable future, one bug bite at a time.